What about his liver?
I want to eat his meat.
That's good meat.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to take a picture.
Well, come on and get
All right. I'm taking a picture.
Oh no!
Get over there, Poe. Now you got to pay attention. Any man kills his first deer is supposed to know how to do this.
But you got to learn how, you know. It's all about...
Roll your sleeves up, man. I just got to get in it.
Your hands smell like pee and crap.
Oh, buddy. That is 3 generations of wars getting bloody. Hey, you can't wipe it off. You got to wear it all night.
Put my lip on so I can eat.
That is 3 generations of war boys right there.